guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to finally film. I've been on YouTube for 2 years and this will be my glitter on my teeth. And this will be my first time ever filming a Halloween makeup tutorial. So I'm very excited about this. If you are new to my channel and you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button just so I know you like the video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shannon. I would love to have you a part of the family. Go ahead right now and subscribe. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Halloween tutorial. Okay guys, to start off this look, I'll be grabbing the Morphe 350 M palette and I'll be grabbing this burnt orange. I will be applying this in the crease area and just blending that out. Okay guys, the next thing I will be doing is grabbing like this nice creamy brownie color and I'll be applying that in my inner eye of my lid and then just blending that all out all together. Okay guys, right here you will be using like the deepest, darkest brown you could find. In the palette I use the deepest, darkest brown. I want to apologize throughout this video. Sometimes you are not able to see the colors I'm using just because the mirror covered it up. But I will try to describe them and tell you what we will be using step through step as we go through this video. Alright guys, right here I'm just getting a nice burnt orange color again and applying that in my inner eye and just blending that outward. Grabbing this concealer by Makeup Forever Full Cover in color 3, I'll be applying this under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Grabbing my Stay Outside Gorgeous by mascara, I'll be spraying that to my beauty blender and just blending that all out. Grabbing this from Sephora, it is a matte powder and it is 28 Cool Sand, and I'll just be blending this out all through my face to set my foundation. Grabbing this small blending brush, I'll be going back into the Morphe 350 M palette and grabbing a burnt orange and that deepest, darkest brown there is in the palette and just smoking that underneath the eye. Now for the eyeliner, I'll be using this by Tarte and the name of it is Sex Kitten. I'll also be putting the liner in my inner eye of my tear duct. Now for the liquid liner, I'll be using this by e.l.f. and creating my wing with it, and it is in color Jet Black. Now for the lashes, I'll be using the eyelash glue from Duo. You can get this at Walmart. And for the lashes, I am not sure where I got these from. I've had them for quite some time, but they're just very dramatic lashes. I think I also got from Walmart. Going back into the Morphe 350 M palette, we'll be grabbing like a reddish, brownish, orangish tone color. And we'll be starting in the middle of my nose above the eyebrows, and that's going to create our skeleton nose. And then later we'll be grabbing a darker brown to give the look some more definition. Now grabbing the darkest brown, and then I'm going to suck in my cheeks, and then that is going to create our line for our cheekbone for our skeleton face. Following your cheekbone all the way almost down to your mouth, but stopping a little bit, and then going down. I don't know, what would you call that? Your chin bone? I have no idea, but just creating where you have your line of your skeleton face. Grabbing a big fluffy blending brush, I'll be grabbing more of a reddish burnt orangish color and then just blending that all out. then grabbing that e.l.f. eyeliner, that liquid liner, to create the nose for the skeleton face. Now for my favorite part, the glitter. This is by Go Glitter. It is a glue for the glitter and then this silver glitter. What I'm going to do first is put the glue on my lips and then use my finger to put the glitter on with. I'm now applying the glue to the start of my eyebrows on the inner side and then applying a little bit of glitter there. And then I'll also be putting some glue in my inner eyes and then putting some glitter there using my fingers. Going back in with my blending brush, I just grabbed some of the colors I used off my eyes, which was a deep dark orange and then that brown, and just going over my collarbone for fun. But going back in with the liquid liner from e.l.f., I'll be creating the lines over the glitter with that liquid liner. Hey guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button before you leave. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. But like I said, I really hope you liked the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween!